today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workout tracker in Notion. We'll start by creating a simple database to hold all your workouts. Open a new page in Notion and type /table or /calendar to create a new database. A table is great if you prefer a spreadsheet-style view for fast data entry, while a calendar gives you a visual schedule right away. Give your database a clear name so it's easy to find later. Next, let's add the essential properties that will make your tracker useful. Add a date property to log when the workout happened. You can include the time if you like, but the date alone works for most people. For categorizing your workouts, add either a select or a multi-select property. Use it for workout type, like push, pull, or legs, or for muscle group, such as chest, back, or quads. Select lets you choose one option per workout, while multi-select lets you tag multiple muscles on the same session. Then add number properties to capture your sets, repetitions, and weight used. If it helps, include units right in the property names, like weight lb or weight kg, so entries stay consistent. Finally, add a checkbox property called complete to mark a session as done. This makes it easy to distinguish planned sessions from finished ones at a glance. To speed up repeat routines, create workout templates. Inside your database, click the arrow next to the blue New button and choose New Template. Design a page for a common routine, such as leg day. Inside the template, add a checklist of exercises you always do, for example, squats, lunges, and leg press, so these appear automatically every time you start that workout. You can also pre-fill properties in the template, like setting workout type to legs, so you don't have to select it each time. When you are ready to train, click New. Choose your template, and start checking items off as you go. Finally, customize your views, so your tracker works the way you think. Use the plus tab at the top of your database to add a calendar view. This gives you a monthly snapshot of your consistency, and each date opens to the full workout entry. Add a board view as well, and group it by muscle group or by status, such as complete. Drag entries between columns to reorganize them quickly, and switch the grouping property anytime to see your data from a new angle. That's it, your Notion workout tracker is ready to use. Log consistently, use templates to save time, and review your views to stay motivated. Thanks for watching.